On. Yes, sir. All right. I am going to work. It is December the 4th, I do believe. Holy shit. And I'm riding my motorcycle. This is going to be awesome. Let's get the hell out of here. Let's get to work. I'm running late. I do not have a jacket on. And it's fucking cold. I'll give it that. But I've been sweating, so it's all good. I got my backpack on. And we're headed to work. I just want to capture this moment because I'm riding my motorcycle to work. What I did for a living was delivery, so I couldn't ride my motorcycle because I had a lot of like my truck would be full of items to deliver. Right now I think it's like 60, it's between 63, 65, something like that. It's gonna get colder tonight, but it's all good. This is gonna be hilarious. I don't care who you are. Oh my God, where's your fucking signal at, bro? Fucking get out of here. God damn it. I swear, people that do that, people that don't put their signal on, I swear in their heads like, you don't need to know where I'm going. You just need to stay out of my way. That's how I feel people are. Like, why, you know what I'm saying? Like, why else? Being forgetful or on your phone and shit, and like your left hand's free because you're texting and driving at the same time. And you're like, oh shit, my signal. Like, I don't know, man. Motherfuckers just, I don't know, just don't care. And like I said, this is why I was gonna cut it off. But it looks like there's some idiots out here. Me not needing to know where they're going, I tell you that. You don't need to know where I'm going. I'm already, I would say already halfway there. I mean, I guess I could do a little recap. Where the hell have I been, bruh? Why don't you ever drop another video, Fat Cat? That's because, man. So I quit my job in July 2019. I mean, this year. But if you're watching this, you know, 2020, you're like, wait a minute. So, yeah, I quit that, and yeah, it's taken me a while. I finally got another career going, but that don't start until January 6th of 2020, and I'm like, damn, bruh. So I went ahead and just took well, I've been doing like Uber and Lyft and stuff, but I didn't know at the end of the year everybody comes out here getting Christmas money, so then it just like totally fucked me out of money. Because, you know, I was making like, I don't know, 100, 120 on 5 hours. I do that day shift though, 10 to 5, and well, whatever, 10 to 4. It just does. Sometimes 11. It just depends. But usually about 5 hours. And yeah, I was doing about 100, 120, and then all of a sudden it went to 50. And I'm sitting around waiting for like pings. I'm like, what the? You racing me? I mean, we can go. I mean, I was like, fuck, I gotta get me a real job. So I just literally walked in to the job I'm about to go to. I just walked in. I was like, hey, you hired? And they're like, yeah. And I'm like, cool. And they're like, all right, you start Friday. And I'm like, okay. And so I got a job in the meantime. I worked day shift again, just like I was doing ride share, 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. Yeah. Well, sometimes I get home about 4 o'clock when I was doing ride share, but same shifts, they're lenient as hell. And if you don't know, I got a kid coming. She's due within weeks, to be honest with you. Anywhere from now to January 20th, there might be complications, so they may pull her in advance, so we don't know yet. Preeclampsia, whatever the hell it's called, I don't even know. So I started this job, and sometimes I do DoorDash at night, and that's really, I mean, that's really all I've been doing, just working, and then coming home and being a dad, and that's, I mean, that's just really it. Like, and it's winter time. Like, it hasn't really like been real shitty here, which is surprising because last year was terrible here in Missouri. Whoa! But no, I think it only snowed once, I think, and it hasn't rained in forever. So, I mean, yeah, it's been cool. I mean, it's been pretty calm. Lately, it's been 60. Next day, it'll be 50. Next day, it'll be 50. But today's the last nice day for a while, and it's December 4th, I do believe. And, yeah. So the boss said, go ahead and bring your bike in. I was like, hell yeah, bruh. Hell yeah. So, other than that, man, I've just been really busy, just doing family life and not really caring about YouTube, you know? Like, I haven't for real rode in a while. I rode pretty good last time. I couldn't even, I think that was in October. I think. Yeah, it was either October for sure. I don't know. It's been a couple of months. That's all I gotta say. I really rode. And here I am today. Yeah, about to go into work and get my work on. Let's do this. Y'all gonna be like, what the fuck? What are you doing, cat? Hell yeah, baby. I'm at work. I'm gonna do deliveries on a motherfucking bike, bruh. Oh shit. Welcome to YouTube, bitch. So, I'm at work. Hella sweaty in my helmet. Alright, man, I'll be back with the delivery. Let's do this. Oh shit. What do I do with my phone? My phone's still outside? Shit, it's still there? Oh, fuck. Wow, my phone just still chilling right there. I got so excited about doing this, I forgot the fucking, ugh. Look at this fucking drink. Bruh. Look at that, that wasn't even closed. Damn, Jerry. I was so excited about doing a delivery. Yeah, I don't remember the address. I think it was 93. Let's check real quick. Let's go make a delivery. I mean, for real, I think this is hilarious. Wait till people, the faces when I show up. Alright, cool. Alright, let's get out of here. You know? What are you doing? What are you doing, lady? Alright, thanks. Alright, it's saying go down this way. Alright, oh god. Go back to the recenter. Go back to the recenter. Watch out. There's a car coming. You good? Go ahead. Making a delivery on my motorcycle. I'll be on the drive-thru talking about, thank you for choosing Yummy on. I take your order today on this beautiful hump day. on this magnificent Thursday. Freaky fast, motherfucker. Oh shit, did I just pass it? Fuck me. I sure did. I think it was at Dick Smith Ford. Straight up past it. Hold up. Let me flip this bitch around. I got so excited on my motherfucking bike, bruh. I fucking passed it. Like hell yeah. Bruh, I was out here getting it. Bruh. Yeah, it's gotta be right here. Hell yeah, bruh. Alright, so basically I gotta shoot over there. Dick Smith Ford, hell to the yeah, bitch. Alright. So I gotta shoot over there. Okay, we good, we clear. Hell yeah, let's do this. Little roll clutch. Gravel fucking potholes, oh God. Ugh. I don't know if it's gonna be in service. I don't even know. But we're here. Hello.
What's up, G-Max?
What's up, man? I got a delivery. Let me get it going here. This is yeah. Oh, service. All right. Yeah. All right. Cool. You looking at me like I'm crazy? I bought my Ford here. Went for 150. I got a delivery for Damon.
You already paid for it? Where's Damon?
Yeah. You already. Oh, okay. Alrighty. I shut it down because we was just talking about Ford stuff, you know. Am I recording? Yeah, okay. We was talking about Ford stuff, so I shut the camera down. It's all good. Just a bunch of riff-raff stuff that you guys don't want to hear about. So I gotta shoot back across. Oh God. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys. I'm out here delivering Jimmy John's on my Yammy haul. All right, here we go. Shoot, shoot, shoot. 2001 Yammy haul, 1100 V-Star. Duh. Hell yeah, bruh. Scoot on my little boot. Scoot, scoot, little boot. Oh, anyways, yeah, it's 2001 Yamaha V-Star 1100 Custom. You gotta put the custom in there, because basically the custom is a Harley, what is it, a Harley lowrider? Dyna? Yeah, I think that's what it's built after, the Dyna lowrider or some shit. I don't know, I'm not a Harley guy, bros. I don't know. Never had a Harley. Probably because I can't afford a Harley? No. No. It's because I don't want a Harley. Yeah, so. Hey, bros. Did we hundred? No? Well, that's okay if you don't. Yeah, so I probably won't record anything else. I might just record my traffic jams, but other than that, I just wanted to do this for you guys. Sorry, I've been gone. Oh shit, first gear, come on. First gear, these guys do not care. They don't care. See, watch, look at that. I had the green light, just saying. That means I have full right of way. But that's okay. They slow down, so it's all good. Fucking awesome, guys. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and all that poop. Because why not, right? Because that's it. Why not? You can earn a free sandwich, bros. Yep, another delivery, Pat. You know you want to go deliver with me? Right here, right on the bitch. Alright, I don't blame you.
Not unless we were chasing somebody down.
Oh, okay. Chasing someone down, yeah. Alrighty, here we go. As DJ Khaled says, another one. Ride safe. Because you love me. Alright, guys. I'm off for work. Later, Pat. See you tomorrow. Off work. Later, boss. My boss right there. He's the coolest. Fucking A. Let's get home. Oops. Fat Cat's in the house, bitch. Alright, off work, going home. So that was the coolest thing I've ever done, was do delivery on my motorcycle. Oh, I can get around there. Boom. Hell yeah, that's not a motorcycle, but that's what's up, bro. Hell yeah. Hey. Get that going. I bet you will. Hell yeah. Be safe, bro. Be safe. Yeah, that's why I thought he was gonna peel out this motherfucker. I got room for you right here. Just saying. No, okay or not, whatever.